The ACA provided reforms that increased access to health insurance through Medicaid expansion and eliminated many of the cost barriers to care, especially for preventive services. Second, prevention was a stated priority in the legislation, which included a mandate for insurers to cover United States Preventive Service Task Force Grade A and B recommendations. Third, there were care model reforms through the patient-centered medical home and increased funding for federally qualified health centers.
A significant risk factor for cancer mortality and for cancer morbidity is the lack of health insurance.
There's strong evidence that Medicaid expansion increased cancer screenings and early diagnosis of cancer. While evidence on other provisions of the law is more mixed, research does suggest positive effects of the dependent coverage mandate. And while the ACA has improved certain aspects of cancer prevention and detection, disparities remain and gaps in our understanding persist.
Medicaid expansion has also improved access to care. It has increased utilization, and importantly, it has improved access to care for populations historically excluded from American healthcare. It has improved health. Now, most of these reports are self-reported by patients, but still patients believe that they feel better, that they have better access to care, that their mental health isn't suffering as much.
We now realize that cancer can be a chronic disease and that cancer patients may face numerous health challenges. So cancer patients need to be embedded within larger payment systems and larger demonstrations to make sure that all of their care needs are taken care of.
The ACA has made a positive difference in closing some of the gaps with regard to prevention, early detection, screening, more equitable treatment, and more equitable outcomes. But we know there are gaps that still exist, particularly in rural areas and states that did not adopt Medicaid expansion, areas of access that are where there are barriers that still exist. So there's much more to be done. But unquestionably, the ACA has made an important contribution and an important start at reducing healthcare disparities and promoting health equity.